Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Kachi discusses business strategies with Rosie. See what happened after. When relationship enters the stage of talking business with your partner, then you know it is a sign that the couple are willing and ready to spend their future together. The Ultimate Love reality television show has no doubt is gradually bringing out the best from the Roxy couple. What's not to love about the ship? Now they are having business talk. Watch how Rosie allowed Kachi finish and then gave her advice for his business idea. Immediately she finished talking, Kachi was just looking at her eyes. The Rosie relationship might have been sealed even before they leave the show. Perhaps let us be expecting wedding invitations from them when the show is over. I love these guys, Kachi and Rosie. And my prayer is for Rosie to allow Kachi really show her how he feels to be in love, because I feel this guy is very much in love with this girl, but she's just hiding. I don't blame her. It's because of what David Wilson did anyway. But I love this couple and I pray they get stronger. So there you have it. For new subscriber, please, for new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also stay tuned for more updates on Ultimate Love.